Hello guys, welcome to AQTech. Today I'm going to teach you Microsoft Excel, and in that we are going to discuss Microsoft Excel's feature and very important feature, which is conditional formatting. So what does conditional formatting do? Conditional formatting enables you to apply special formatting to cells in your spreadsheet that meets certain criteria. For example, Excel has a sizable library of the presets conditions that you can apply simply, fairly and simply, and you can create your own condition formatting rules using Microsoft Excel formulas. So let's do that. What is it? Let's do it. So before going to understand what is conditional formatting, let me create here a table like serial number, and then we have days, and then okay, for example, what we are doing here, it's weather condition, the city, any city you take. So number days, and we have date, for example 1 2022, and then let me want right here and just drag down how many days you want. 7. Okay, and just click here and make it little bit format. Days, for example, start from Monday, and then click here and you just drop down towards the last cell you want. Just okay, it's automatically, you don't need to write down Tuesday and others. Okay, and then we have 1 2 3 and days, and we have date. So this is, we have date, and okay, 3 days or 4 days, whatever you want. So okay, so it's a table format. So let me just make it a border, and you can see the border. If you want like to color, you may color it, and city weather condition, select it and merge in center so that you can see it easily. If you want to change the background color, you may. Now what you have to do, let me make it more bigger so you can see it easily. Now let's forecast Monday 22. The temperature is weather forecast, so we just putting the data randomly. You may put the right data where you actually 1 to 8. So now I want to put a condition here, like if there is a temperature in the city in any day below the 20 or below any specific number, so what would happen? So first of all, let me select that data area, which is this area, and then we can see on the home tab, here is conditional formatting. So here more conditions, we have highlight cell rules greater than, if the cell is greater than, less than, between, and etc. So first condition we would go for this, and if there is a greater than, if the temperature is greater than 30, then if you would like go with this default condition, then it's okay. If you want to do something by your own, then red text color or border. Even if you want to go for the custom, then just go here and then underline or color and etc. I want to change the color in a red. If the temperature goes above 20 or 30, I think so, I just select the 30. Okay, so the color would be in red. Then just click here. Okay, now all the values you can see above 30. If this one, this 34, if you just go for 29, then the color would be changed in the black. and the same time go, and then again if you would like this time, if between, if you want, and then you can see it between, okay, 19 to 37. Okay, it's okay. So highlight with custom color. Custom color would be single underline, and color would be in yellow and bold, so you can see that. So this is how you can change, and at the same time we have more condition. We go for is the top 10%, top 30, top 40 in the bar. If you want to put here, now you can see the bar in the color. You can see if there is more value, you can see the bar, it's going to right side and it's make full cell, and now if there is value in lower, then you can see the condition. So if I just put would like to put here on the first to the color condition, so you can see here, and the second column as table as whole you can also add, but I just want different conditions. So then if color, then you can see this color is color year bleak and etc etc, and the icon if you would like to add this one, it shows the going up and down and it's normal. And then we have flag, even we have a light, traffic lights, and this one and all that. You can see even signal, you can see right here. I just would like to add this one, so the value is below. I think the average, it's going to be red, and then green, it's satisfy, it's normal, and then this is how your condition is show. If you would like to make your own rule, then you can just click here, and then you just go the format only, the cell contain format and all that, the color, you would the data where like this. If you want to change it, icon sets, and two color, if you would like to color number 1, this would be, and the second color would be the black, and then type of the condition, which is the formula or the values, lowest value and the highest values and all that. You can see that you can change that, but right now I'm going to set this the pi table for this, and up and down you can see here. So this is how you can add conditions icon on conditions on your data on your table, so you can easily can differentiate which value is going up in the table and which is going down and which is giving us signals. So hope you understand. For more videos and tutorial, just subscribe and like. Thank you very much.